Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing today, sent with love from the UK. So we're going to open this up. This is the Witch Casket for November. Very excited. Witch Casket, everybody knows, is like one of my favorites from the UK. It comes wrapped that black packaging on the outside. And this is what the box looks like. And I'm going to open it so we can get into see what it is all about. So, Witch Casket is where you can get yours from as well. And the theme here is anti-anxiety magic. Well, I can definitely use this. This is a time of year where it gets crazy, I'm sure, for everybody. So I'll put this on the side to last so we can see what's in it. More details. Everything will match this beautiful art here. Everything matches perfect. So the beautiful art card we have. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. The teacup. Very pretty. And this is made by Witch Casket. It's one of their exclusives. So, very, very nice. First item. Ooh, then we got our Anxiety Banishing Spell Powder Kit. Contains everything you need. So let me get my little slicey base so we can see what's in the kit. If I can, there we go. So in here we have number 1 herb. We have, number 2 herb. And then, number 3 herb. And then of course the spell. Pretty card. And then the spell. So it says you'll need, it's hard for me to read here, but it says yarrow, St. John's wort, and I can't make out the top one. But anywho, let me see. So our spell includes heart ease. So you're making a spell powder out of that. So that's cool. Beautiful. I love to do those spells. Then we have, this is cool. Witch Casket Little Book of Anxiety Magic. It's pretty thick. This is the back. And we have, if I can open it, everything is, sorry, I'm getting used to this little space. I need bigger space, I think, to put the candle. But anyway, you got Spell to Banish Anxiety. Let me see if I can get that over a little bit. And then you got that. I'm still organizing my space, so it's a big mess. And then we have a couple more. So there's quite a few different spells in here. So you got the beautiful book, Spells for Anxiety. Then we have, this is different. Witch Casket Anti-Anxiety Witch's Brew. Stir counterclockwise with intent and state the following. And it has a little, as I stir my calming brew, anxiety, I banish you. So that's really cute. I think there's a little bug flying around. Yes, there is. I think it's a little bug. He's going pretty quick. It's gotta be. Oh, maybe it's the steam from the coffee, because I don't see a bug. All right, anyway. So we got our brew. And, we got our beautiful pin. Oh, it's a beautiful teacup. I love teacups. That is really awesome. And of course, everything matches. I gotta add, I need a new pin board. Mine is full. I have so many Witch Casket pins that need their home. And we got this guy here, and this is a beautiful box with the flower in front. I have no idea what this is. Oh, stress away doorstep and floor scrub. Ooh, that's something new. Do that in my little, oh look, it's a little salt jar. That's adorable. Very cute. I like that. So we got our cleansing. What else we got here? We got our beautiful black sachet with the matching art. What do we have in here? Well, let's get a better look. All right, let's see what's in here. Yeah, I don't know what that is. They're like little bubbles, right? This is a new space, so I have no idea what that is. Power Talisman. Carry this amulet with you in times of stress to remind you of the divine power you hold. And again, this is the talisman. Ooh, Witch Casket. This is really beautiful. And this is the back. I hold divine power. Very, very cool. As always, love these awesome items they create. Oops, we got another bag. Ooh, this looks like a bracelet. We got, this is the art in this one. And it says snowflake, obsidian, and lava. Stone bracelet. So here's your lava, and there's your obsidian, snowflake. And snowflake obsidian helps to promote balance and ease stress, and you can add oils to the essential oils to the lava. Part of the bracelet. Very cool. We have another sachet, and we got a worry stone. They're calling it a thumb stone, but same thing. Same thing. Beautiful leaf on this guy. Telling you about the hematite. All right. Hematite's very grounding. So very cool. Worry stone. And we have more items yet, guys. This is crazy. It's always loaded. We have anti-stress oil blend. That's great for our bracelet. And this is really taped good, so let me open it from the bottom. If I can open it that way. There we go. Anti-anxiety oil blend. Jasmine and chamomile. Very cool. And then we have this item. Ooh, anti-anxiety candle. Beautiful exclusive. Like even the sides of the boxes are done. You know, it's just amazing. I love that kind of detail. So this is what it looks like when I open it. We have dress your own anxiety candle. That's cool. So you got your candle there. And on the side, we have an herbs and crystals. Looks like amethyst. And I don't know what the herbs are, but we'll find out because I'm sure it tells you in here. So that is cute. How to create your own candle. And this looks like the last item here. And it's a beautiful wooden box. And it's got a top here, and it says, there's a little magic in everything I do. I'm sure This is like an intention box, I'm assuming. Let me get this box out of the way so we can... Oops, and we have one more item. Forgot about our wonderful scroll. Let's move this back. A lot of items in this box. I have them all over the place. All right. Let me slide open our beautiful Book of Shadow sheet. I don't have a sharp razor here, and I don't want to ruin this. Very easily, you can rip it. Anti-anxiety incantations. Hope you guys can see that. So, our Book of Shadow sheet. Very cool. November is awesome as always. So, let's go over the little book. And the beautiful art. It says, hi everyone, thank you much for subscribing to our November Witch Casket. We know that anxiety is a huge problem for people right now, so as I promised, I really wanted to curate a magical calming casket to help with that. We hope this casket enables you to rid yourself of stress and anxiety and live a more mindful and stress-free life. I love you. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. So, Dress Your Own Anxiety Candle Kit is the first item here, which is this baby here. It's entombed with the beautiful box with everything you need to create magical anti-anxiety candle. It holds 100% pure soy candle, amethyst chips, and chamomile. Then we have the anti-anxiety witch's brew. A common blend of lavender and chamomile. And it says, as I stir my calming brew, anxiety I banish you. Drink mindfully. This, I was wrong, is a courage coin. Our exclusive magical coin feature. Oh, no, I'm lying. Sorry, guys. It's this here. I thought that was a coin thing for a box. Is this here. Majestic Griffin, a symbol of divine power. Carry this amulet with you in times of stress and to remind you of the power you hold. Then, anti-anxiety blend oil. And this is, I think it was jasmine. Yeah, jasmine oil and chamomile. Mixed with a carrier. Stress Away Doorstep. Floor Scrub. Magical blend of salts containing ylang-ylang, bergamot, and lavender oils. This is a time-tested anti-anxiety blend from Deb's Family Book of Shadows. Mixed with warm water and used as a scrub for tiled floors, doorsteps, and stress away from your home. Also can be used as floor sweep. Awesome. And then the Banishing Spell Powder Kit. Or spell kit here. All the items you need to do that. And then achievements box, it says. In every achievement, no matter how big or small, there is magic. Note down your achievements and add them into this enchanting box. You can also add in any affirmations or tiny things that make you feel good. On the days when stress and anxiety is threatening to overwhelm you, take your box, empty it, and look through your notes, affirmations, and reminders. Once you recognize your accomplishments, you will be more empowered and your anxiety will ease. That is awesome. I love that. And then our bracelet. Snowflake and lava. You can add the oils to this as well. The thumbstone, hematite, is good for promote confidence, self-esteem, strength, times during stress and anxiety, grounding, self-soothing, and you kind of like, rub it when you're anxious. Then the beautiful tin of the tea. Awesome. The little book of anxiety magic. And it has a couple different spells in here. At least 10, I believe. And of course, your scroll. And then your art. And, of course, this beautiful little book. Like I said, there's quite a few different spells in here. Let me know, guys, what you think of Witch Casket's November box. I love it as always. I'll leave the information down below. Thanks for watching, guys.